Hi, it's been a while since the last time we had our virtual house tour, but this time I'm so excited no kay nana pag i-feature nga virtual house tour, a virtual tour which is a beach lot diri sa Masaw, and it's very exciting because most of our clients are actually finding beach resort nga pwede nila i-develop to something like business development pa sa ilahang side. They can use this as their kanang beach resorts, or let's say mga convention centers or whatnot, or for daily activities na ay mga cottages as well. So let's explore what's inside this 3,000 square meter property, and take note, this is already in industrial category. So in a way, daghan tag pwede ma-explore ani nga property. No? So let's come inside. So when you enter the property, you can actually see how wide it is. Naghan pa siyang spaces, and it's very important because need po nato ang mga spaces nga dagko for the parking area. So here nato building po as well for some sort of kanang pang overnight, or pwede po siya for daily use nga nice pod for your guests in the future, or inyong mga clients if you'll use this as your commercial or business property. So accordingly, there are 18 cottages na pwede daw magamit sa ato ang guests in the future. There are also rooms here that are fully air conditioned, and take note, ingon ni sir nga ang iyaha daw conservative nga income on a monthly basis is around 70,000 to 100,000 pesos month by month. So it's a good sign for investment also. So diri no, makita na to ang mga cottages. Here you can explore. Ano siya, guys? Luag kayo siya since of course this is 3,000 square meters. So na yung mga guests, no, meaning this area in the Masaw Beach Resort is na exposed na rin siya, daghan nagpwedeng musulod diri from time to time, and we can also use our social media accounts or social media platform to, you know, kanang i-commercialize ni siya or i-advertise. As you can see, yung si sir, wala na niya ni na natiman because of kanang many things in his plate na. But before the pandemic hit, grabe pa ni siya kanindot. Well developed yun siya. So in your case, I suggest that you also have to develop this also for your future business venture here. So here, luag siya kaayo, no, there are a lot of areas for development. You can still build here like more likely mga inn, hotel like nga building or whatsoever para mas ma-maximize ninyo ang inyong area. So let's go here sa beach area, because of course this is a beach lot property, and at the same time dapat na to ma-explore what you can also do in the shore area. No, I'm excited because kanang it can be a great spot for business persons like you interested in a property to actually do more of what's in Butuan. Kay daghan kayo tag mga makita nga mga beach resorts such as in Cagwain, in Enchanted River, or sa pa na isa kanang sa may basta sa Rigao del Sur or sa other areas. Pero in Butuan, wala pa gito makaingon nga nindot jud kaayo nga beach resort. This can be the next tourist spot in Butuan if you'll be the one to own this. So if you're interested and you want to inquire about this property, just don't hesitate to send me a message today. That's it for this afternoon. Bye!